This is a fit for a 2009 through 2014 Honda Fit 4-door hatchback with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima BaseLine CoreBar roof rack system. The system is using the CoreBars in 50-inch length, the BaseLine Towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine pad and clip set. This is part number BC 143. The crossbars are positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. The BaseLine pad and clip set for this rear position is also BC 143. The maximum load carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.